Here we've got A23 iceberg. Largest iceberg in the world at the moment. About 4,000 square kilometres. We've been steaming along it for hours now. It's 400 metres high, the highest point, which is twice the length of our ship going down into the sea. We're only seeing the top of it. This thing broke away from the Weddell Sea, the Filchner ice shelf, over 35 years ago. It's finally free and got into the Southern Ocean. Incredible. Forces of nature, they change their environment, are so massive. So this goes on and on and on forever. 40 nautical miles long.